Lesson 12. Talking about weather. Welcome to Lesson 12. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about the weather in different situations. You'll practice key vocabulary, useful phrases, and sample conversations to help you describe the weather and discuss plans. Based on weather conditions, types of weather: sunny, the sun is shining. Cloudy, there are many clouds in the sky. Rainy, it is raining. Windy, there is a lot of wind. Stormy, there is thunder and lightning. Foggy, it is hard to see because of fog. Snowy, it is snowing. Cold, the temperature is low. Warm, the temperature is not too hot or too cold. Hot, the temperature is high. Talking about the weather.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
How's the weather?
It's very cold and windy.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, take an umbrella. It looks like it's going to rain. The weather is perfect for a picnic.
I don't like winter because it's too cold. Spring is my favorite season because the weather is nice.
Scenario 1. Talking about today's weather.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm, a perfect day for a walk.
That sounds great. I was thinking of going to the park.
Good idea. Don't forget your sunglasses.
Thanks. I'll bring some water too.
Scenario 2. Making plans based on the weather.
Do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
I'm not sure. What's the weather forecast?
It's going to be hot and sunny.
That's perfect. Let's go on Saturday.
Great. We can bring some snacks and drinks.
Sounds like a plan.
Scenario 3. Discussing favorite weather.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love rainy days. They feel so cozy.
Really? I prefer sunny days because I can go outside.
I understand. But I enjoy drinking hot tea and reading a book when it rains.
That sounds nice. Maybe I should try it.
Practice exercises. Repeat aloud. Listen to the sentences and say them out loud. Practice pronunciation. Role play. Pretend you are meeting someone new. Practice with a friend or record yourself. Create your own. Write your own formal and informal introductions. Use your real job or interests to make it personal. Thank you for learning with us. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more practical lessons to help you master English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and enjoy your journey to fluency.